Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a Python program to check whether a number is a Armstrong number or not. Armstrong is a special kind of a number. As you can see, it's a number which is equal to the sum of its own digits, each raised to the power of a number of digits in the number. So what this means, 153 is a Armstrong number. As you can see, 1 to the power 3 plus 5 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3. So this comes out to be 1, and 5 to the power 3 comes out to be 125, and then it comes out to be 27. So this sum, as you can see, 126 plus 7 comes out to be your 153. So this is the actual formula here. Each digit to the raised power 3, the actual sum is this sum 153. So we can do this programmatically to check whether a number is Armstrong or not. So this is actually our Python program. Here we simply ask the user. So if I run this Python script, it will ask to enter a number. So let's suppose I write a number 153. As soon as I write this number, you will see it's a Armstrong number. It calculates this programmatically, the formula. And now if I submit another number, let's suppose 154, it will say not an Armstrong number. So let me just show you the actual program, guys. It's very easy, and for this I will use this Python tutor software where I will explain each line. So this is a very special software where you can visualize the execution of the program step by step. So here it will asking you to enter a number. Let's suppose I write a number 153, click on submit. So as you can see, the number is registered as a global variable. It is stored inside this variable num. Now in the next step, what we are doing, we need to extract each digit from this number. So we need to extract this 1, then we need to extract this 5, then we have to extract 3. And then we need to process them 1 to the power 3, 5. But before that, we need to extract each digit. For extracting each digit, so what we can do right here, we can now to extract this 3, we can divide this number by 100. So if I divide this by 100, as you can see, it comes out to be 53. So the 100 divided by 153, I think, yeah. So basically it extracts the digit of, so it comes out to be 1. So we are extracting this digit 1. So that's why I divide this by 100. Now in the next step, we are dividing the whole number by 10 and then extracting the remainder when we divide this by 10 again. So now what happens, we extract this 5 from here, and now to extract the unit digit, we actually get the remainder whenever we divide this by 10. So that's why this is the remainder operator. This is not division. This is used to calculate the remainder. This is the division operator. So this will extract this 3 which is there. So multiple ways by which you can extract the digits. This is the most simplest way by which we calculate this, by using the division operator and remainder operator. Now we get all these 3 digits. Now we can successfully calculate this by this if condition: a raised to the power 3 plus b raised to the power 3 plus c raised to the power 3. If it comes out to be the actual number, then it's a Armstrong number. So it calculates. So now the sum comes out to be Armstrong. So you can see that it prints out this number is a Armstrong number. So in this easy way, this is the way by which you can check whether a number is Armstrong or not. Also check out my website, guys, freemediatools.com. which contains thousands of tools.